Okay, this is the device I use to tell me exactly how much kilowatts I create through my solar panels. I use Top Greener, that's the icon on the upper left. Let's click on it. And I call the device solar input. If you go to the bottom right, it has statistics. There's also a timer. You can schedule it, or you can switch it on and off, or you can just touch the outlet. I'll just show you quickly. That's off. That's on. But don't keep it off. And you don't have to schedule it either, because it automatically turns off. It doesn't affect anything. And I've had it set this way for months and with no issues at all. Anyway, so I'm going to go to the bottom right, which has statistics. So today I created 1.53 kilowatts, and I'll go through everything, my setup. I'll show you outside in just a second, and I'll show you the bill. There's definitely a difference between last year and this year. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it so far. Next segment is coming in just a second. Okay, this is the inverter that I'm using, the grid tie inverter. It's 1,000 watt. Picked it up on eBay or Amazon, not sure. Cost around 120 bucks. Works really well. Here's the connections, pretty simple. This is the Top Greener device that I'm using. It's all basic. It's protected pretty well under here. Everything is in parallel. It's 330 watts per panel. This is what the top side looks like. And then I have an extension cord that runs right into that outlet. So I have everything outside. I don't have this inside, just in case. I don't really, I kind of trust it, but then again, I don't. I really don't want that in my house. Anyway, you can though. Nothing's ever happened. So this is the setup. I used fence posts. Let me go underneath just to show you. And I just used regular zip ties, the really thick ones. Just hold it in temporarily. There's a blink camera right over here. And I've had everything set up here for quite some time. It was a very windy year and everything worked out really well. Okay, so here is the Wi-Fi plug from Top Greener. Just wanted to show you exactly what it looks like, the box. It has the, of course, catalog number and everything you need, and so you can buy one yourself. And here's the really cool thing, the my bill, my electric bill. So right over here, if you look at January of this year, it's been a drop. And then it just keeps on dropping. So you could definitely, and I started these panels in, I plugged them in February. That's when I had everything all set up. So I've had a, pretty dramatic decrease in my energy bill. I'm happy. Everything's been working out pretty well. And it's working even better, that's for sure. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. I hope this helps somebody, and have a great day. Bye.